Do you want to create a sleek and futuristic entrance effect for your edits? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make barcode entrance reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. Now, let's get started. Step number 1 is to open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Import the photo or video you want to edit and add it to the timeline. At the bottom, find the animation button. Once you click it, you can see a lot of options. In the search bar, search for barcode entrance. After you enter, you can see a lot of options for barcode entrance. Choose and select one depending on how you need it. Once it's selected, you can adjust its duration in the slide below. The final step is before exporting, preview your video from beginning to the end. And there you have it! That's how you create barcode entrance reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy editing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless!